In 2001, long-term care providers in the Midwest joined together to create HealthCap, a member-owned and member-governed risk management and liability insurance program. Since then, HealthCap has grown to insure 1,400 skilled nursing, assisted living, and independent living facilities throughout the country. HealthCap is owned by our members, the long-term care organizations that we insure. We are 100% focused on providing risk management and liability insurance solutions to the long-term and post-acute care industry. Helping long-term care providers is all that we do.
It is a value that the singular focus of HealthCap is on long-term care. They're not out there focusing on other markets, and while it might be possible for some companies to do that, we think that the singular focus that HealthCap has on our issues and our members' concerns is helpful to them as they navigate through the future.
Over the first few years that we worked with HealthCap, it became evident that we shared a lot of the same values, that our commitment to excellence and our commitment to quality was equal, and that there was a desire to positively impact this profession. And so it became a pretty natural partnership.
It has become a modern reality that even the best provider can be accused of improper care. If not dealt with swiftly, even a groundless accusation can cause serious harm to your organization and can hinder your ability to care for our elderly. That's why it's critical that you ally yourself with a company that specializes in handling difficult liability situations.
Our reputation is strong because in the last 12 years, we have effectively managed over 4,000 professional and general liability claims. We have seen it all.
HealthCap revolutionized the industry with our SOS support systems, legal support hotline, and aggressive incident triage programs. Our claim management professionals respond rapidly to sentinel events that occur at our members' facilities.
Rather than waiting for a claim to be filed, we find that proactive management of the incident in the beginning, within days or hours after it occurs, allows us to have the best impact on the outcome and cost.
HealthCap believes that the best way to connect with facility staff is in person, at the facility. That's why HealthCap is one of the only carriers that emphasize on-site risk consulting as an integral part of an effective risk management program, helping members reduce risk and improve survey outcomes.
When the risk management team does come in, they'll identify areas of improvement that we could have. And then they will work with us as to how to attain that. Whether it be they have policies in place that we can look at and possibly adopt, or design specific to our facility.
It's very difficult to understand what's happening around the country and what's happening with other providers. You're very focused on what you're doing. What HealthCap can bring by coming on site and talking about potential ways to avoid litigation is it can bring the experiences of the entire sector, best practices of the entire sector, and really help our members avoid litigation as opposed to just helping them once they're in litigation. So we think that's a real value.
Our risk managers build personal relationships with the staff at the facilities they serve and are often the first called when help is needed.
Well, I've been a nursing home administrator for years and years and years, but I had the unfortunate problem. My husband died 2 years ago, and he was the administrator of our facility for 20 years. So I got baptized by fire 2 years ago, and my first phone call was to Donna Long, one of the risk management consultants. She's like, "Oh my gosh, how can I help?" She was right there.
HealthCap offers value-added services to our members, such as HealthCap University, which is the most comprehensive and cost-effective online learning management system available, and QA Reader, which is a web-based quality assurance dashboard and clinical risk management service designed specifically for long-term care providers. We are dedicated to delivering our mission to provide best-in-class risk management services and quality insurance coverage to our members at a fair price. And in turn, we have developed a same-team relationship that fosters trust and delivers value.
Honestly, what's really worked for us is it's not about buying an insurance policy, and it's not necessarily having risk management services. but it's having a partner that you can work with, a partner that you can build a relationship with, who you always know has your best interest at heart.
I have never hesitated once to pick up the phone with them and call them. They've worked me right through it. The way I feel is that we have a partnership. We're working at it together, and the line of communication should be open. They're there to assist us whenever we need it.
We certainly want to endorse a company that we feel is quite strong and is here for the long run, and HealthCap has demonstrated in its over 10 years of experience that it's just such a company.
We expect HealthCap to be the premier provider of risk management and insurance services. We trust them to be who they say they'll be, to do what they say they'll do. And the cool thing is, they deliver.